Hello everyone, welcome on Shop Tech Tips. Today I've got something special. I never do a review or unboxing, but one of the company named XTU contact me about for review one of his product, and it's a what is it? It's a doorbell. Really? Doorbell? Come on, send me one. Here you go. We have one, and it's XTU J9 Plus. Today video will be unboxing, quick test, showing the installation, which is so easy. Okay, let's go do it. Let's go. Okay, let's go do it and have a look on the box first. What we have here. Like I said, this XTU J9 Plus battery powered doorbell camera. Play anywhere, monitor anywhere, because it's working on your phone, if I could remember. Okay, what we have, we get a 2K resolution, 180 wide angel vision, PIR Motion Detection, clear night vision. It's IP66, you can use outside with no problem. Full duplex two-way audio, you can speak on both way. Built-in battery, built-in battery, which is rechargeable. I think it should be discharged about 3 to 5% a day. That means maybe about 20 to 30 days for single charge. Not sure, that's how it should be work. Okay, and on this side we have more feature. It's 100% wire free. That means it's really wireless. You don't need any wireless connection, or I mean wire connection. It's absolutely free wireless anywhere where you got a Wi-Fi. That's remember, you need the Wi-Fi be there. 2K HD video quality, 1:1 head-to view. Built-in long-lasting rechargeable car battery. Like I said, it's advanced PIR motion detection, support two-way audio, and up to 120 gigs local storage via SD card. And there is also free app provided, support remote viewing on iOS or Android. And it also has some cloud system. Some of them is free and some of them is prepaid. We'll have a look on that later. But let's go open the box first. Okay, we have a manual, some stickers, which is nice, cards, bell itself. It's really nice, robust and big. I think looks huge. It's bigger than I thinking. And the second side, which is operated on battery, this you have home, and also charging cable, USB-C, 2 double tape sticker for quick installation, or for hard installation you got a screw as well, you can use it, and that's it. Okay, let's go have a quickly look on the user manual, and we can find it how to install. But first of all, we check the English, French, Deutsch, Espanol and Italiano. We're going to English, it's just 12 sides, that means it's not hard. Okay, as you can see, we got the camera, microphone, PIR motion sensor, doorbell buttons, LED indicator, speaker is down, and unlock pin. Okay, unlock pin, we got this one. Okay, that's nice. And on this side we got a reset button, charging port, charging indicator, micro SD card slot, and LED status, it's solid red, battery charging, solid blue, fully charged, USB-C. Okay, it's easy. and we need this app to log in, set up doorbell. It should be easy, but we can have a look. Like, okay, tap on the button, add doorbell, application, select camera and stuff like that. It should be easy, and installation, find the location where it should be, take down the cover. You can use the double tape or screw, depends how perfect you want the fix. Standard installation, as you can see, it's all off, it's here. Once you're done and it's PIR, you can just connect all together and should be working. You need a free AA battery for this one, and indoor unit, memory card for outside unit, and you won't use cloud setting, you don't need SD card. If you don't want to use a recording, you just need plug in any memory card. That's it. It sounds easy and looks easy. First of all, we'll have a look on this one. We need the pin button. It should be here. Yeah, it's this one, and it's going somewhere down. And I open it. It's working, battery is inside. Now we separate the cover with this super pin, and you can try connect the camera to see how it's working finally. And where's the switch on button? Okay, this is how it looks like. We got a memory card over here, charging port over here with reset button, lock button, which is just simply lock. I think the older version which I see on the online is have a screw. You can put a screw inside, which is more secure, because this is so easy, take it down, but only for people who know how it works. But otherwise, yeah, looks nice, and Rob's no squeezing, and looks good. Okay, let's go set up the app. Okay, now we go and have a look, scan the QR code for getting app and login. We have a more come up. Open up. Okay, we need to create account. In Slovakia. Account. Okay, we are inside the app, and now we need the app doorbell. On the body. Okay, start scanning. Scan the QR code. We got the smart video doorbell. Takže máme tu smart video doorbell. Enter the configuration. Sorry.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device.
Okay, next.
Press the bell button and tap next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, you need the reset button. We need to wait for the flash red, but they're charging, that's why I switch off. There is no flashlight, but I will click next to see what happened. Okay. Ah, it's flashing with this one. Okay, you want again. Okay. Now we set up the same Wi-Fi. I log into my Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, and now, as you can see, the Zaba Killer's home Wi-Fi is connected and is all done. Now we need to install the doorbell. I will be installed just on my front of my monitor. Just now, it's done. And next.
Camera and phone at the place of camera install.
Okay, as you can see, the app is working. The camera is also working. It's very nice. It's got some delay, but it's okay. It's the doorbell. And like I said, you got a free, if you got a memory card install, you can record the video over there. Otherwise, you can buy some cloud storage over here. It's a $4.99 a month with IE Plus, or even cloud storage is only $4. That's it. Actually, you can exchange for some code activation. There is nothing in here. That means I don't know. But yeah, you got an eye analysis where it's showing the pets, vehicle and packages. It's will be pushed on the notification like, okay, that's been pets, that's been your courier or whatever. But otherwise, that's all is how it works. You can plug in, push, and it's actually play nice sounds. And it's actually showing on the phones, and you can pick up and you can see what and who is there. And it's also, audio is working, as I can hear it. The audio is working. It's too near. It's nice echo. Okay, let's go do an installation. I will be do a double tape installation because I don't want to damage wall or stuff like that, and for me it looks more easy. Okay, all you need is a double tape, which actually going here, all is prepared. We gonna just tack it, this double tape here. Okay, let's go do it. Just stick it outside of my door. Okay, will fit near my normal wired cable, wired bell. Just stick it. Okay, it's working. And now we just push in this doorbell. And that all installation is done. It looks nice and it's so strong. Okay. Now just switch on. Okay, doorbell is installed. It looks nice and it's quite strong on double tape. And for 5 minutes, just push the button, start the ringing. Will be showing on the phone. You can pick up, see what is there, and come and open door. That's it. Simple like this. Okay, as you can see, we also can change the view for fish eye or standard view. It's just over here, and the camera quality is so good, it's alright. I like it, not bad.
Like and subscribe. Hopefully you like it. See you later.